Good morning, everyone. My name is Qasim and I am 7 years old. Today I am going to talk about how to be digitally disciplined. Every day we use our phones, tablets and TVs. They are fun and helpful, but sometimes without even noticing, they start taking control of our time. That's why digital discipline is important. Digital discipline means using technology in a smart and balanced way. Let me tell you something honestly. Many times I open my tablet just for a few minutes, but suddenly 30 minutes or even an hour is gone. When this keeps happening, my homework gets delayed, my sleep becomes shorter, and my mind feels tired and eyes heavy. I realized that something important. Screens are not the problem. Using them too much is. So my parents and I created 3 simple rules that changed my daily life and I want to share them with you. Rule 1. Life first, screens later, homework, reading, exercise, family time and prayers always comes first. Rule 2. Fix your screen time. I choose one screen hour every day, usually in the evening, and I stick to it. Rule 3. Choose quality over quantity. Before watching anything, I ask myself, is this helping me learn something good? If yes, I continue watching. If not, I stop because my time is valuable. And once I followed these rules, something amazing happened. I started thinking more clearly. I had more time to play and explore. And I became more organized and confident. So remember, digital discipline is not about stopping screens. It's about being the boss of screens. Instead of letting the screen be the boss. Screens can entertain you, but they should never control you. Your time is precious and you control it. Thank you.